Hi everyone, this is Stephen Raj from AGS Computers India Private Limited, Chennai. In this video, we are going to see how SolidWorks helps you to reduce waste in your process with the release of SolidWorks Composer top functionality. The overall theme of this video is to deliver improvement on productivity, integrations with other SolidWorks products and features, while also balancing the need to build in the architecture for further improvement. Here's a look at a small set of features like usability and productivity improvement, PMI import, PDM integration, importing Exploder same named views from SolidWorks files, 360-degree captures. SolidWorks Composer expands its purpose, build authoring tools so that you can more effectively create, update and manage your technical publication project. Selecting components of interest is easier than ever with the new select adjacent command. Not only you can repeat this command to compound its effect, you also get dynamic feedback on what you have selected. View management has also been upgraded. Views can now be locked to prevent them from changing accidentally. And a new indicator points out which views are custom, so you can better identify which views captures a user-defined selections of properties. Search now support collaborative actors. For example, we can find their dimensions and show it much faster than before with the addition of new properties. You can simplify their display. Another powerful authoring tools, Arrow, now have a fixed size property, so that they will stay the same size on screen as well as when they are published in PDF or printed materials. Animations with SolidWorks Composers are quickly and easy to create using the animation library, which contains commonly used highlights and assembly animation blocks. These blocks have been enhanced so that when a changes is needed, you can modify and update their properties. Instead of recreating them, for example, you can change the highlight color to the new undefined options and click update. This enhancement greatly accelerates the process to create compelling product animations. The user interface has also been enhanced with additional integrations with SolidWorks PDM Professional. We can now check in, check out, change state and much more, all without leaving SolidWorks Composer. Opening and creating new projects is also more efficient. The open dialog now recall the lost used file format and support custom import profiles. And the import PMI options now support SolidWorks MBD data to further leverage manufacturing informations of your product. SolidWorks assembly envelope are a great way to reference other 3D models, but they may not be desired in SolidWorks Composer. With SolidWorks 2019, envelope can now be explored when the SolidWorks assembly is open, with the expanded toolset and integrations with best-in-class PDM and CAD scan. SolidWorks Composer 2019 is a clear choice. Leverage your CAD data to create top quality technical illustrations and animations. The CAD model of the nozzle contains multiple named and exploded view necessary to document the design with SolidWorks Composer 2020. All of these views are now included when you are open the models, so you don't waste time recreating them. This makes it quick and easy to create a custom exploder animation with Composer. And with 2020, you can now save the animation to the additional format like MP4. Even though animations can have a big impact on your audience, still images are often a necessity. SolidWorks Composer 2020 now provides the option to publish a 360-degree views of your model in a series of raster or vector images. This makes it faster than even published images where multiple view angles are needed when reviewing the images and stakeholders. So SolidWorks Composer 2020 helps you to eliminate the waste in your process by leveraging more information from your CAD model and animating content publishing tasks.